Are you guys looking for a really nice new build home here in the southwest side that has the master bedroom downstairs? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring the Lynwood floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so welcome to Arborbrook by Richmond American Homes. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the southwest side of Las Vegas, you guys. So we're the nearest cross streets is going to be Fort Apache and Blue Diamond. Okay, so we're tucked away all the way here in that southwest. Cool thing about the area is we're actually pretty close to Red Rock. So if you like hiking, you could actually just get on Blue Diamond, drive, go a little bit further west, and then you can get onto Red Rock, which then will link to like Summerlin. All right, so I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now, they offer several different floor plans here, all ranging from about like 2,100 square feet to about 2,400 square feet. Now, what they're doing here in Richmond American is they're no longer building from ground up. So you can't just, pick your lot, pick your floor plan, choose your upgrades. They are an inventory build now. That means they are building all spec homes, which is quick move-in homes, okay? That means they are pre-selecting all the homes, all the upgrades. So that way, by the time you get into contract, they will be done a lot sooner, okay? You're looking at like months out. So base prices are kind of irrelevant for Richmond American, but I will say that as far as the pricing goes for these homes, there's not any official pricing for a lot of these models. So I'm just going to tell you guys, it's going to range from the high 500s to the low 600s, and that's going to be out the door pricing, okay? Also, that's going to include all the upgrades, your lot premium, and they are including all the appliances as well for these quick move-in homes, okay? Also too, they are making another community. If you're looking for something a little bit larger, they're coming out with their Stonehaven community. Right now, as you can see, they are building the models to the Stonehaven. So if you're looking for homes that are going to be about 2,700 to about 3,200 square feet, well, I'll have a video for you guys probably in the next month or so. Anyways, about the community, the HOA going to be around like $60 to $100 a month. Nothing is set in stone just yet. Average lot square feet for the homes in Arborbrook are going to be it's going to be 4,000. Okay, all right, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome everyone to the Lynwood floor plan. Now the Lynwood floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,110 square feet. Now, as far as the price goes, over here in Richmond, they're all doing quick move-in homes. So the prices, they actually don't have any price right now for the Lynwood floor plan, but all the homes in this community are going to be priced in like the high 5s, low 600s, okay? So welcome in. So welcome to the Lynwood. Now, right over here to the right, you're going to have your coat closet, right? Now, something about Richmond homes, what you could expect, even when they pick out all the options, is you're going to get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor. Now, right over here, you're going to have your powder room. Okay. Okay, so you got nice upgraded fixtures, cabinets, countertop. And in this community, it doesn't really matter too much, I feel like, what's standard and what's upgraded, because the out-the-door prices are, there's only gonna be one price. It's just gonna be the out-the-door prices. They're already gonna choose all the upgrades. They're gonna add the lot premium. I feel like base prices are kind of irrelevant. A lot of these Richmond communities now. So yeah, beautiful kitchen, all right, very open floor plan. Now, the thing about this floor plan that I forgot to mention is you're going to have your primary bedroom downstairs. Okay, so if that's important to you, if you're okay with a 2-story home with the primary bedroom downstairs, well, definitely, stick around for this video, because yes, this is that model. But yeah, beautiful upgraded quartz countertop. We got the white cabinets. Okay. Nice backsplash. Over here, you're gonna have your laundry room and door to the garage. Okay, we'll also have your pantry, walk-in pantry. Okay, also you have some storage space right over there. Okay, so we got your garage. You're gonna have a 9-foot garage. Okay, we also got the tankless water heater to the left. Now here's going to be your laundry room. Now again, with the most quick move-in homes, these spec homes, they are going to include all the appliances, so refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Okay, your smart panel box, that's where you would, that's where all your cables are going to be, your Cat 6s, where you're going to set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, again, refrigerator, they are going to include that. So I know a lot of these homes, spec homes, are going to have the covered patio, which is nice. Everyone loves covered patio. Everybody always asks, this wall is short. Yes, because it's just a model home, but this wall is going to be just as high as this when you actually move into your house. Okay. Cool. Oh, so this is this looks like your pantry right here. Oh, so you have 2 pantries? Oh, okay, I guess. Yeah, interesting. So this could be like a pantry as well, but this is kind of like further off. Or your linen closet, right? Okay, so welcome to your primary bedroom. Now this is going to be a king size bed. So you can definitely see you have room on the sides. I know for a lot of buyers that I help out, they'll be strictly looking for like single story homes. But the only time they'd be open to a 2-story is if the primary bedroom was downstairs. So there's not too many of them in the city, to be honest, but they have this floor plan, especially when it comes to new builds, right? They don't make too many primary bedroom downstairs. So this is just one of the rare ones. I believe Richmond does have another floor plan also that has a the primary bedroom downstairs. Okay, beautiful, beautiful walk-in shower. But yeah, the thing about having the primary bedroom downstairs as well is, especially in these homes that are going to be about, like over 2,000 square feet, the primary bedroom is going to take up a lot of space downstairs. So if you like having like very open downstairs, like if it feels very large in there, well, primary bedrooms might take some of that space away. But this floor plan is not too bad. It's still pretty open. So right. So here, we're going upstairs. See the nice tall ceiling. Looks like we have this loft right here. Yeah, it is an ugly day today. Nice upgraded stair rails. So right here, you're gonna have your guest bedroom. Okay. Also, you'll have 9-foot ceilings. up here. I think I mentioned that earlier. Okay, so you kind of have a small like walk-in closet. Pretty good sized room. This is going to be a full-size bed. So you have your nice loft. Let me see here. Okay, dual sinks. So you got your walk-in shower. I mean your shower tub combo, and then your toilet right here. So yeah, all 3 bedrooms upstairs, that's going to be their shared shower, shared bathroom. Okay. Now this room is bigger. This one is larger for sure compared to the other room. Okay, closet size is about the same. Yeah, because this is a full-size bed, but you have more room for the sides. On the sides. Okay, and now all the spec homes too as well. There won't be like additional lights, but you'll have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay. All right, and here's the last bedroom. But yeah, now guys, if you are interested in a new build community and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to be there with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're already working with a realtor, that's okay. At least let them know and have them go with you on your very first visit. Do not go by yourself. Otherwise, the agents, that community won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation because the new build agents look after the builder's best interest. But realtors, we look after your best interest. So that's why we always make sure we're negotiating for you, maximizing all the incentives. And, we hold the builders accountable. So, definitely win-win. So get yourself some representation. And the builders pay the agent fees. So forgot to mention that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the Lynwood floor plan. Okay. If you guys have any questions, or if you're interested in learning more if you have questions regarding their incentives, again, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.